Hello everyone! With Instagram Reels becoming increasingly popular, you might be wondering how to revisit those Reels you've liked in the past. Well, want to know more? In today's guide, we'll be diving deep into how you can easily find and view those liked Reels on Instagram. So, let's get right into it. To begin, ensure you have your Instagram app open and ready. Navigate way to your profile, and you'll find this icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. Upon tapping it, your profile page will come into view. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot a symbol represented by three horizontal lines. Give that a tap. A sidebar menu will cascade on the screen, presenting several options. Out of this, you'll want to select Your Activity. It might be nestled between other options, but it's there. Under Your Activity, you'll come across a segment labeled Interactions. This is your next destination. By accessing the interaction, you're granted a passageway into the comments, mentions, and of course, the likes linked to your account. Without further ado, select likes and voila! A chronologically arranged list of all your liked reels will appear before your eyes. This feature is a fantastic way to reminisce about those reels that once brought a smile to your face or inspired you. So that's all. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!